Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, June 7th, 2023. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. We want to get our subscribers, our YouTube subscribers, caught up with what our subscribers to our newsletter have. I think it's been a while, maybe a week. Anyway, I'm going to start with the U.S. 10-year today. We're going to look a little bit closer. This is a 1-hour chart. From that wave 2 low down here, we have 5 waves up for 1 in parentheses, 3 waves down, an A down, a B up, and C down for wave 2 in parentheses. And then we have what appears to be a third wave breaking out to the upside with a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, and a 4 down. This 4 low would have to stay above this wave 1 high to be valid. So far, so good. So what the bulls and interest rates would need to see is a move above this wave 3 high, which is 3.860%, and we got a wave 5 up here above the wave 3. So this 4 low would have to hold or at least stay above this wave 1 high, which is, I believe, 3.531%. Maybe we can back out and look at the big picture while we're here. Let's look at the daily, and let's make this something that we can all see. There we go. It's a little tighter here, but this, let me extrapolate this out. There we go. That's better. This wave 5 high back here in October of 22 was 5 waves up from the 2020, the year 2020 pandemic low, which everything is. And we have 5 waves down for A. We have a B up here. Okay, and then we've got a C here. Again, there's lower targets which are still in play. Okay, C equals A at 3.075%, and then we have a 382 of the entire 5-wave rise at 2.810%. You can see those right there. A move below that low of 3.253 triggers these lower targets of 3.075 and 2.810. You can see this moving up here, wave 1 up, 2 down, held above the absolute low there where it couldn't break. And then we've got a 1, 2, 3, a nice advance of 4. And again, 5 should go above wave 3. Once we break above this B wave high of 4.089, wave 3 equals 1 at 7.286. So once that 4% high is broken, that's the minimum target. 3 can take on a higher multiple than equality with 1. It could be a 1.618, a 2.618, that would be like over 10%. So we'll see how this goes. So far, so good as far as the bulls are concerned on interest rates going higher. We'll keep watching this play out. I wanted to show you guys that shorter term wave count there on the hourly. Okay, let's move into the S&P. This is a weekly chart. And you can see our primary count. We'll go to the alternate count, I think, on the ES here, or the daily. But we've got an A down, a B up, and then a 1 down, and a 2 up, which is developing. Again, that August 16th high, which the NASDAQ and NASDAQ futures broke, but the S&P hasn't. And the Dow, for what it's worth, it hasn't broken its second wave or B wave high yet. Okay, we have divergence, which is perfectly normal in a bear market. Happened in the year 2000. Looks like it's happening again. We'll see. But we'll talk about what happens if this wave 2 high on August 16th is broken. But we got an ABC here. So far, it's holding just under it. Okay, that's a look at the weekly chart. Again, if we get a 3 up or a 3 down, we should see a move. Let me show you guys something like this. Okay. Oh, I want to make that bigger than that. That is. Bear with me here. No. Anyway, I have to mess with that, but there's at least a black line. Here we go. That's where we make it. Let's do it like that. There we go. Okay, that's the third wave. See that angle of descent there? Some people are saying this is a third wave up. It doesn't quite have that angle of ascent, okay? And this is 5 waves up for A, 3 down for B, and 5 waves up for C. So we'll see how that plays out. But that's a near vertical descent on that third wave there. Okay, I'm sorry, I drew it in the wrong place. It's there. Okay, let's do it again. Trend line, there we go. And from there to there. See, that's a near vertical descent. Okay, point made. Let's remove that. Or we could leave it. Let's move that and move on. Okay, let's look at the daily. I think we're going to look at that from the 816 high. Here you can see the alternate count is in blue, the primary count's in black. The dates and prices are in purple, and the wave count is in black also. Okay, so our primary count labels this as the June low is A down, B up on August 16th. 1 of C down, 2 of C up is forming or has formed. You can see all of our notes and triggers and targets there. One point to make on this daily, if this 43.25 is broken, that means that this is the first 5 waves down, the October low, and this is an A up in blue, a B down, and a C up, okay? And we could go just a little bit higher. 43.73 is the target. 43.25 is the make or break. So even though this is broken, it's possible that the market would only go up 50 more points and then start wave 3 down. So you got to kind of watch that. Don't get too excited. Obviously, the 48.18 all-time high is not in jeopardy, excuse me, at this time, okay? But we're looking at this second wave up, which would be B if it went over there, okay? That would be over there with that move above 43.25. But again, it could be move above, go 50 points higher, and then bang, here comes wave 3 down. So we've got to keep an eye on that. Let's move to the ES if we can. Okay, I'm going to look at the daily chart. Again, it's the same, just the numbers are a little different. Okay, here is that 5 waves down for 1 of C. There's A up, there's B down, and then there's A, B, C for wave C in parentheses. Okay, the larger wave B moves over here if this 43.2750 in futures is broken to the upside right there. There's the make or break, and that brings those targets into play. We have a 44.60 target, 44.6650 to be exact, if 43.2750 is broken to the upside. We've had that there for months. That alternate count moves into play with a break above this high of 43.2750. A move below this 38.3925 eliminates that alternate count. So we are ready for anything. This is the daily chart. Let's look a little closer at the hourly chart. I want to point out here the significance. We saw this live, this 3-day, 3-wave decline, ABC. That told us 3 waves down, the main direction is up. We should expect 5 waves to the upside is what we told our subscribers in real time. At that time, this is only 3 waves, and we had a breakout. We identified this 4th wave triangle. We love 4th waves, identifying them, and we can expect a thrust to the upside out, which we got, which is wave 5 here, which is the larger wave 1, and there's the wave 2 down, and then we have a 1, 2, 3 so far as of yesterday's or 2 days ago high. 3 equaled 1. We might expect a pullback here and then a wave 5 higher. So that's what we're looking at there. Okay, we had a direct hit back here, but we need to see a move below 41.14 to trigger the downside target. So the trend is up. It's been up since this 3 waves down. Actually before that, but this told us that we should expect at least 5 waves up, which we got. So we've got 5 waves up for 1. We got a 2 down. We've got 3 of 5 waves up for wave 3 so far. Okay, let's look at our most recent report, again, to get you guys all caught up. This was last night's report. Okay, I believe we have that same chart there. There we go. Oh, I wanted to make a point that June 6th, which was yesterday, is a Fibonacci 233 days from the 1013 low. Not sure if that'll mark anything of significance, but we'll look back here at the 1013 low. That's 233 days. So again, as our subscribers know, most important is wave pattern, then wave price, then wave time. So pattern looks like it's about to come to an end. We'll see if this 43.2750 holds. Price, we've got our targets there. And in time, we have a Fibonacci turn date. That was yesterday. So we'll see how all that works out. We have our upside, downside parameters, triggers, and targets. And we've got our YouTube subscribers caught up with our monthly subscribers. Also wanted to let you guys know of all the different subscriptions we have to offer. The monthly is the most popular, but we have NASDAQ futures. We have an annual subscription. You can see the details there. We also have a video on demand and an auto trade with futures striker securities. So if you guys are interested in that stuff, thought I'd let you know. Okay, let's leave you guys with this. And until next time, take care, everyone.